Welcome to Piggy Lane. Here's Mark, Art, and Smart. Mark lives in a pretty old house with old windows and old doors as well. This is a problem. Mark's having a hard time relaxing. The temperature in his home gets too cold in the winter and too warm in the summer, and his energy costs are way too high. Art thinks this can't happen to his house because his house and his windows are pretty new. But his energy costs are up and his allergies are pretty bad too. But now there's Smart. When Smart purchased his home, he knew his house was older and those drafty windows needed to be replaced. Smart knows that having just 14 average-size windows that are drafty may be equivalent to having a hole in the side of his home, the size of one of his windows. That's where NT Windows comes in. NT's windows and doors are high-performance replacements that are designed to increase the efficiency and overall comfort of your home. And Energy Star qualified NT windows can save you up to 30% on your heating and cooling costs, allowing you to enjoy significantly lower utility bills. Now Smart enjoys real comfort and peace of mind knowing that his decision to replace his inefficient windows and doors is paying off. To find out more on how NT windows and doors can improve your home's comfort, indoor air quality, and save you money, visit us today.